Robotics is a division of technology that comprises and involves design, operation, and application with computer systems, electronic and software programming for the information and signal processing. Robot is a programmable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material parts of a specialized device through variable program motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. The recent trend in robotics is to design and develop intelligent generation of robots that are competent and capable of moving, acting, helping, and interacting in human-centered environments and participating in daily activities serving various practical purposes.
There are many types of robotics such as industrial robots, medical robots, agricultural robots, military robots, but one of the ongoing highly interactive topics in more research and industry is rehabilitation robotics, which can be divided in two main groups: therapeutic or therapy robots and assistive robots. A therapy robot is used during a rehabilitation program. And why is important rehabilitation robots? It is estimated that the number of individuals living with limb loss will almost double to 3.6 million by the year 2050. Considering these numbers, rehabilitation robotics should be used in therapeutic and rehabilitative procedures. Rehabilitation robotics is closely related to physical and developmental therapy, focusing on three main areas: neurological, cardiopulmonary, and musculoskeletal therapy for patients. Paro is an interactive robot that allows animal-assisted therapy to be administered to patients. Paro responds by producing sounds, moving his head and legs, and show patient-focused behavior. It has been proven to reduce stress or mental fatigue for patients. Hippon is a small yellow robot designed to study social development. It has two cameras in each eye and a microphone in his nose and four motors at the base with a rubber skin. Hippon is being used to help therapists engage and interact with children as a tool to express assertive, intentional, and emotional behaviors. Physical therapy provides some form of physical support and mobility in case the affected limb is no longer functional or it has been amputated, and also in rehabilitation exercise when the limb is still functional but with limitations such as in a stroke patient.